Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another Cherry Bombs vlog. Today we got the way overdue video when I did the replacement cell phone holder, and then I got the red one. I got black, but I ordered red. So this is just the install of the red video. Real sweet, real simple. Hope you enjoy it. Give me a like, comment at the bottom if you like the red or the black. Let me know. That's pretty much it. Enjoy. Peace.
We at Nissan of Wesley Chapel, and this is that new Nissan Kicks. It's kind of nice. It's kind of like the Juke. Not really. Happy so far with mine. I love it. Yeah. This is a 2018. I just like I wanted to get this switched out in my car instead of like the netting. Like the Alcantara is a lot nicer.
What are you paying right now, Mom?
So for anybody that has a 370Z or seen any videos online about the 5 things they hate about the 370Z, one of them, big thing, is there's no room for your cell phone. So if you look in here, you got a cup holder, the blanks, this space here, but that's it. Or you could throw it in that little slot over there, but all of those options are not good enough. So the solution for those that do have the Sport Tech or any other model that's not the Touring or the convertible, then these buttons are pointless. They just are not even buttons, right? So we're gonna pop these out, real simple. You just pop this thing off and you unscrew those and that comes out. And then we got this from 3D Hubs, made in the USA. This ABS plastic insert that we're gonna put inside here. So basically it's gonna look like that. So you can put the phone in. Let's see, let's test it. Yep, see, it's in there. Boom. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Real simple, couple screws, got a screwdriver. Real simple ordering online. You just need the file, upload it. I will put all that in the description, and where you can get all this. It was 13 bucks. It came in 2 days, so really fast, really cheap, really simple thing you could do for your car to make it, that more practical. Because this is not the most practical car on the market. But yeah, let's get to it. So far, this button delete holder has been great, but I originally ordered the red one, not the black. So we'll just do a quick swap out. Take this one out, the red one in. This one is taking a little while. Oh, there you go. Alright, here we go. That's the red instead of the black. I think I like that. And I got little red accents. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You like the red one or the black one? I think it adds a little detail. Let me know in the comment section below. And thanks again to 3D Hubs. This got to me as soon as I got back. They sent me back a free one. I kind of like that. Alright, so that was the video. Really short, sweet, simple, straight to the point. Just the install video of the Red 3D Hubs cell phone holder insert for your 370Z. I'll put the link in the description below where you can go get that. Other than that, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Yeah,